Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I'm going to be decluttering my laundry room or my utility room, whichever you would like to call it. I live in a small apartment, so obviously this room is small and it's pretty cluttered, as you can see. So I just want to say before I jump into the video that I do have two new blog posts for you guys. So I have a review of June 2018, everything from my blog, my YouTube, personal stuff about my toddler Ava, and I also have a new review of Mam feeding essentials. So Mam, like the bottle and the Soother company, and they also have a range of other things that you can buy, and I have a review of some of the cutlery and cups that they have, so that will be linked in the description for you to check out. So without further ado, let's jump in and get on with today's declutter.
Another heading slowly, a child is slowly taken, and the violence caused such silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their bombs. In your head, they are crying. In your head.
So this corner is pretty much clear now, except for that the Hoover there, but it actually doesn't work at all. It didn't work from the minute we moved in here. We got this with the apartment, but I have noticed that our water thing here is leaking. So I'm obviously just going to clean that up right now and contact our maintenance company just to get that checked out and get them to fix it. This is everything so far that I've taken out, just randomly thrown around. And then I have the clothes pile here, and I have to go through these two bags to see what's in them.
When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old team since 1916. In your head, they still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are guided. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head.
So these are everything that was inside the laundry room, the utility room, whichever you want to call it. So this small pile here, I'm going to be keeping these. So this is the side off of Ava's cot. We have some empty unbroken boxes there. Down here there's like a nappy change in bag, some bubble wrap, this cover that we use when we fly. Oops. When we fly for our stroller. I'll have that linked, the Amazon. We found that amazing. It took the brunt of the dirt and the bangs, so our stroller came out looking just as new as it went in there. So they will be going into like storage. Everything here we plan to keep, obviously our Hoover, the ironing board, some bits that need to go into different areas, reusable bags, our steam mop, because you know, even though it's not the best right now, it's the only one we have. Then over here we have a range of cleaning products. I won't be buying any more cleaning products until I am right down. So I will do a video on what I have. I'm also going to be doing a video on what I think of the Method products as well, so I'll include that in the video. Iron, we have some paint because we just painted Ava's room. There's a little bit left over. This bucket, while we don't have a mop for it, I am going to keep the bucket because I always find it's handy to have a bucket. This is our laundry detergent. Then here, this came with the apartment, so we have to keep it, although it is kind of broken. And then here is like the attachments and stuff for the mop, the steam mop. And then finally, these two bits here are what's going to be going to the rubbish, and then it's just our clothes stuff here. So the only thing that's left is the dirty pile of laundry. I won't be cleaning in this video. It's going to be coming in a video later this week, so keep an eye out for that. And at the top here we have photo frames and pictures that came with the apartment that we're keeping. So I'm just going to sort them out a little bit better so I can store a little bit more up there. So the next video is going to be like a cleaning and organization of this. I'm hoping to get another shelf installed halfway between the washing machine and this shelf, just for a little bit extra storage. And then it's all pretty dirty down here. And as I said, the water thing is leaking. So hopefully in my next video I get a lot more achieved and it looks way more presentable with a little bit of extra storage. So that's it, guys. That is today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.